nomenclature. So what was used to happen is that there are no rules. There are no rules actually. They didn't provided whoever these people are there. They didn't provided any rules at all. Like you have to name the particular enzyme with this name. You have to name that, etc., etc. Some small basic rules was some like normal like small basic rules are there, but the वो rules को follow करना बोल के कुछ भी rule नहीं है. So one rule is that the enzyme should always end with a suffix called as as. It should always end with a suffix called as as. For example, if you take the enzyme called as sucrase. If you take the enzyme called as uh, isomerase, isomerase. If you take any phosphofructokinase, phosphofructokinase, phosphofructokinase. A simple rule ma that much not much efficient one, that is whatever the enzymes are there, they should always end with the suffix called as as ma. They should always end with the suffix called as as. So this was like 1960 to 1970. These rules, whatever the rules are there, these rules are some small rules has been laid in 1970 1960 time. Before that they used to give the names normally. For example, if you take the enzyme called as trypsin, if you take the enzyme called as trypsin, which is a diester enzyme, trypsin, or if you take the enzyme called as pepsin, etc., etc. So these names are not didn't ended with the suffix as, ma'am. These are like previous enzymes, ma'am. These are like previous enzymes, so they didn't give any suffix as. But whatever the enzymes that we find out, if we discover any extra new enzymes, then it should always end with the suffix called as, ma'am. What are the new enzymes that you are going to discover? What are the enzymes that has been discovered after 1970 or 1960? Why 1970? You may ask why 1970, why 1960? Because IUB, ma'am. The header is called as IUB, that is called as IUB, that is called as International Union of Chemistry, International Union of Biochemistry, that is called as Biochemistry, International Union of Biochemistry, which was founded in 1961 में, which was founded in 1961. So जब से ये लोग थोड़े थोड़े small rule, they are making some small rules, and according to the some small rule, whatever the enzymes that you are going to name, they should always end with the suffix as. Some of the examples are the sucrase. See, you can clearly see the as, isomerase. You can clearly see isomerase, and the phosphofructokinase. You can see the this enzyme. Some what of the some enzymes are there. Some of the enzymes are uh, according to the nomenclature name. Some of the enzymes how they are named is that they are named after the substrate molecule. They are named after the substrate molecules they are acting. Substrate molecules they are acting. They are named after the substrate molecules they are acting. For example, if you take the sucrose molecule, what is the enzyme which is acting on the sucrose molecule? The enzyme which is acting on the sucrose molecule is called as a sucrase. So this small rule, this is a small rule, not that much sufficient rule. जो भी एंजाइम्स जो सबस्ट्रेट्स के ऊपर एक्ट कर रहे हैं ना, वो उनका नाम इस देने का चांसेस भी रहता है. फॉर एग्जांपल सुक्रेस इज एन एंजाइम which acts on the only molecule called as a sucrose, which acts on the only molecule called as a sucrose. For example, if you take another enzyme called as maltase, which acts on the substrate molecule called as a maltose. Lactase, which acts on the molecule called as lactose. I mean, the chance that अगर आप डिस्कवर कर रहे हैं कौन सा भी एक नया एंजाइम, इफ यू पीपल आर डिस्कवरिंग एनी न्यू एंजाइम एंड इफ यू वांट टू गिव नेम टू दैट एंजाइम, so that you can give the name based on the substrate molecule it is acting, based on the substrate molecule. ये वाला रूल तो फॉलो ही करना होगा, that a suffix as वाला रूल तो पक्का फॉलो करना ही होगा, so that you can give the name of that particular enzyme based on what molecule it is acting on. वैसा भी आप लोग कर सकते हैं. Or else there is an another thing is also there must some there is an another small rule is also there. The name of the enzyme can be given based on after the reaction it is carrying out. After the reaction, the enzyme is carrying on. After the reaction, the enzyme is carrying on. The enzyme is carrying on. Based on the reaction, after the reaction, the enzyme is carried on. Based on the reactions, the enzymes is carried on. See, you can even give the names to the respective enzymes based on what type of reaction they are doing. Substrate का नाम देने का नहीं है, तो आपको अगर वो कौन सा type of reaction perform कर रहा है, for example, there is an enzyme which is trying to perform carboxylation. So the enzyme name can be named as what? Carboxylase. Carboxylase is an enzyme which is doing what? Which is fixing the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide को fix कर रहा. तो उसका तो enzyme का नाम क्या? Who is this person? Soumya. Okay. Carboxylase is an enzyme which is acting on the carbon dioxide. And what type of reaction they are doing means they are doing the carboxylation. They are doing the carboxylation. Or else if I take a isomerase, if I take the isomerase, what type of reaction they are doing is that they are doing the isomerization. They are doing the isomerization. They are doing the isomerization. I can even take another oxygenase. Oxygenase. What type of reaction they are doing means they are doing the oxidation. Excuse me. Wait a second. Okay. They are doing what? They are doing the oxidation. They are doing the oxidation. I can even take the reductase. I can even take the reductase. What type of reaction they are doing means they are doing the reductation. They are doing the reductation. I can even take the transferase. The enzyme named transferase. What they are doing? They are transferring. They are transferring the molecules. They are transferring the functional groups. So very simple, you can give names to the enzymes. You can give names to the enzymes based on the reactions they are carrying out. Based on the reactions they are carrying out, और जो लोग reactions carrying out कर रहे हैं ना, based on the reactions you can give the names. For example, an enzyme is performing carboxylation, then you can give the name of that enzyme as a carboxylase. If that enzyme is doing a isomerization, then the name should be like name. So whatever the reaction, जो भी नया reaction, so जो भी enzymes कर रहे, if you are not getting the substrates, then you can give the name of the enzyme by carrying out the reaction. So this is a normal simple nomenclature. यहाँ पर उतने सारे deep rules नहीं है. You have to don't need to follow any heavy amount of the rules. So simple, very simple. First rule is that it should be always end with the suffix as. Some of the examples are there. This thing can be asked trypsin, pepsin, etc., etc. And second rule is that it can be named. The enzyme can be named after the substrate molecule it is acting on. जो भी सबस्ट्रेट मॉलिक्यूल के ऊपर एक्ट कर रहा है ना, उसका नेम उसका ऊपर भी आप लोग दे सकते हैं. और यू कैन इवन गिव द नेम टू द एंजाइम बेस्ड ऑन द रिएक्शन इट इज कैरिंग ऑन. कौन सा टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन कर रहा, यू कैन. And sometimes what will happen means you can even give the names to an you can even give the names to a you can give a name to the enzyme based on the substrate it is acting at the same time, and type of reaction it is performing. For example, let me give an example. uh, I can give an example called as hexose isomerase. Hexose isomerase. I can give an example. See, fourth type, how it will depend means you can give the name to an enzyme based on the two things. टू एंड ताड़ का ले लेके भी आप लोग दे सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन गिव द सबस्ट्रेट को भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं, एंड टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इट इज कैरिंग आउट वो भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज अ गुड एग्जाम्पल. हेक्सोस आइसोमरेज बोल के एन एंजाइम इज देयर. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इट इज परफॉर्मिंग? इट इज परफॉर्मिंग आइसोमराइजेशन. It is performing isomerization reaction, and at the same time what type of substrate it is a 6 carbon compound. 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 Either it might be a fructose, either it might be a glucose, etc., etc. So you can give names to an reaction. आप लोग names भी दे सकते हैं. You can give a particular, or else I can see. Let me give another good example so that you can clearly understand. This is the first example, and second example is the succinic dehydrogenase. dehydrogenase, succinic dehydrogenase. What is the reaction it is going to perform? The reaction name is called as dehydrogenation. It is performing a reaction called as dehydrogenation, and it is performing the dehydrogenase reaction on what type of substrate molecule? On succinate molecule. On succinate molecule. I mean, so what I'm trying to tell you is that you can give names to the enzymes based on the substrate molecule and based on the reaction it is carrying out. अगर आपको ऐसा if you are not feeling that it is not a good way, then you can go for the third one. You can give the name to an enzyme based on the type of reaction they are performing. Or else, if you're not feeling very good, then you can go to the second one. Second one, what is it? You can give the name to an enzyme by based on what type of substrate molecule. The second one is based on the substrate molecule. Second one was second वाला जो भी है ना substrate molecule के ऊपर दे रहे हैं अपन. We are solely giving the names based on the substrate molecules. When it comes to the third one, we are giving solely based on the type of reactions they are performing. When it comes to the last one, fourth one, we are giving names based on substrate also. Substrate का भी ले रहे. At the same time, we are taking the type of reactions they are performing. Very simple. This is your nomenclature. उतना deep में rules नहीं दिया. In your textbook also, it didn't given that much of rules. So whatever this PDF is there, if you haven't written, I will. Okay, Rakesh, this PDF I will try to post in your WhatsApp group. This PDF I will try to post in your WhatsApp group. There you can write down the notes. Or save చేసుకున్నా అంటే save చేసుకోండి. I will try to post the particular PDF in your WhatsApp group. There you can clearly see. ఇప్పుడైతే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసేంత నాకు టైం కూడా లేదు. తీపిచ్చి పంపించేంత టైం కూడా లేదు. I will try to post in your WhatsApp group. So nomenclature is done, ma. Nomenclature is done. Then we will proceed to our next topic, which is also. Wait a second. I'm getting a call. The next topic is classification. The next topic is classification. 15 minutes topic. After that, I will be leaving the class. No need to worry. 15 minutes में से bear कर लो बस. We'll be leaving the class. So who is coming? Who is a boss in this case? Means who did the classification in this case? I mean, just see. So this nomenclature is it. No one is going to take seriously regarding the nomenclature. Nomenclature में अपना ICBN में जितने सारे rules है మన ICBN లో ఎన్ని రూల్స్ ఉన్నాయో నేమ్స్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇటాలిక్స్ ఉండాలా అది ఉండాలా ఇది ఉండాలా అనే ఎట్లాంటి రూల్స్ అట్లాంటి ఏం పెట్టలేదు సింపుల్ రూల్స్ దట్ ఈస్ suffix a should be added, it should be can be named after the substrate, it can be named after the reaction, it can be named after the substrate and reactions అనుకుంటా సింపుల్ రూల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. But when it comes to the classification, the classification was taken very seriously. Classification ఏదైతే ఉందో whatever the scientist or whatever this boss is there, that is International Union of Biochemistry. International Union of Biochemistry, whoever these people are there, they took very seriously. International Union of Biochemistry. Okay, ma, let me do one favor for you. Let me change it to the black. Okay. Let me change it to the back. International Union of Biochemistry. International Union of Biochemistry. He is a boss. So what they did means very simple. What they did means they classified every enzyme. They classified whatever the enzymes they got. ఏవైతే enzymes వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉన్నాయో, they classified all the enzymes into 6 groups. They classified all the enzymes into 6 groups. They classified every enzyme they are having on the earth and arranged them inside a 6 groups. They arranged all those enzymes into 6 groups. First group is called as Amma, is it okay with the screen? Is it okay with the screen? And is my voice is okay? Just give me clarification. Is my voice is audible and at the same time screen is good? Means should I continue with the black? Because night time kada white color పెడితే background మీ కళ్ళకు correct set కాదు. So I took the initiative to with the black color screen. Morning time is black gullies guntadi, white is better, but night time. Okay, ma. The oxido reductases, ma. The first type of group is called as oxido reductases. The first group is called as oxido reductases, ma. Okay, someone is. Amma, isme just clarify me whether my voice is clear or not. ఒకసారి చిన్న క్లారిఫికేషన్ మరి పక్కకు పెట్టుకున్నాం. I was keeping my earphone, that microphone near to my mouth again. Okay, ma. First one is called as oxido reductases, ma. First one is called as oxido reductases. ಅದು ಚಾಲಿ ರಾಯಕೊಂಡಿಗ. First one is called as oxidoreductases. Second group is called as transferases. Second group is called as transferases. Second group is called as transferases. Third group is called as hydrolases. Third group is called as hydrolases. Third group is called as hydrolases. Fourth group is called as lyases. Fourth group is called as lyases. Fourth group is called as lyases. Fifth group, fifth group is called as isomerases. Fifth group is called as isomerases. Sixth group is called as ligases. Fifth called as ligases. So they classified every enzymes on the earth, ఏవైతే enzymes ఉన్నాయో ప్రతి ఒక్క enzymes they classified and kept in the respective six groups. They classified and kept in the respective six groups. So the first group is called as oxidoreductases. The second group is called as transferases. Third group is called as hydrolases. Fourth group is called as lyases. Fifth group is called as isomerases. Sixth group is called as ligases. So what I will do means I will just give you a small introduction what each and every enzymes in the respective groups they will do. చిన్న ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ ఇస్తామమ్మా ప్రతి ఒక్క గ్రూప్ లో ఉన్న ఎంజైమ్స్ ఏమేమి చేస్తాయి అనేది. So first one that is oxidoreductases. The first one is oxidoreductases. Can you guess what will be the enzymes of this group can be doing? ఏవైతే ఎంజైమ్స్ ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్ లో ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటి యొక్క ఫంక్షన్ ఏమై ఉంటది? जो भी एंजाइम्स फर्स्ट ग्रुप में है ना उनका फंक्शन क्या होता होगा? Deadly easy answer, Masi. I'm saying that deadly easy. Very, very good, ma. Rakesh and Priyanka and Pujita are really good, ma. Deadly easy. I'm saying that deadly. Their only function, the enzymes present in the respective first group, their function is to perform oxidation, ma. Oxidation and reduction reactions. So, what are the enzymes which are present in the reduction reaction? What are the enzymes which are present in the oxidoreductases group? Oxidoreductases group lo evaithe enzymes unnayo, what they will be doing means they will be performing the oxidation and reduction reactions. Very simple. And coming to your second one, transferases. So very simple again. What do these enzymes present in the transferases means? I will be telling by myself only. They transfer the functional groups. Transfer the functional groups. Functional groups. They transfer functional groups from one molecule to another molecule. One mole to another molecule. To another molecule. To another molecule. Deadly easy. Transferases. Name lo undama. Transferases. For example, if any one of your family members is a government officer, you might see that they usually get transfer. They usually get transfer from one office to the another office. When person ni oka office nunchi teesi inkoka office ki to same logic applies here also. The enzymes which are present in the transferases, जो भी enzymes transferases में रहते हैं ना, उनका क्या है लोली बोले तो वो लोग functional groups को transfer करते हैं. They what they do means they transfer functional groups. I hope you might know what are functional groups. This one comes under your chemistry topic. They transfer functional groups from one molecule to another molecule. Very simple. Coming to your third one, very, very simple. Coming to your third one, what the third one will do means they break the biggest molecule. They break the large molecules. They break the large molecules. They break the large molecules. One condition is here with the help of a H2O molecule, with the help of water molecule. Very simple. Hydrolases. See, within the name is there hydro. Hydro means water. Lases means breaking down. Hydro means water. Lases means breaking down. So what the third type of group enzymes क्या करेंगे? What are the enzymes which is present in the third group? What they will do means they will try to break the large molecules into small molecules. But the caveat or the additional point here is that they will try to take the help of water molecule. They will try to take the help of water molecule. That you have to keep it in mind. They will try to take the help of water molecule. So can you guess what would be the fourth one might be doing? Deadly easy, which is similar to your third one only. Third one similar only. Try to tell me the answer. Fourth one is exactly similar to the third one, but one condition is there. One problem is there with the fourth one. Deadly easy, Masi. I don't need to explain. Don't need to explain. No, Pujita, no, Atma. See, understand what I'm saying you that hydrolysis or then hydrolysis and చెప్పిన కదా అక్కడ hydrolysis అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు hydrolysis అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు. I can write down hydrolysis also. Same thing. Whatever the thing is you doing, Rakesh, okay, Navnita, subtract by mechanisms. Okay. Okay, ma, let me tell you by myself only. Ma, see, there are like 11 people are there in the class and only like 3 or 4 members are only interacting. I want everyone. See, let me tell you, ma, first of all, this is not even my time, ma. నాకు తీసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేదు मेरे को क्लास लेने का टाइम भी नहीं है still I'm giving my time मेरा देखो आप लोग आपका सोच रहे हैं मैं मेरा भी सोचना होगा ना I will be like doing my मेरा leisure time है and even giving time so that you people can गो मूव ऑन थोड़ा कर सकते बोल के मैं मेरा टाइम लेके मैं आपके लिए बोलने के लिए आ रहा है एंड इफ यू आर नॉट इंटरेक्टिंग विद मी व्हेनेवर आई विल आस्किंग यू द क्वेश्चंस ना then I will feel that this time is not proper time etc అట్లా అని ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయమ్మ so try to interact man only 3 to 4 people interacting only Pujita Rakesh etc those people are interacting means I will get the doubt that this time is not good etc whatever it might be ma coming to your fourth one laptop the charging would have been coming to your fourth one what they do means simple they also break the molecules they also break the molecules they also break the molecules but in the absence of but absence in the absence of H2O molecule in the absence of H2O molecule in the absence of H2O molecule very simple deadly see hydrolysis they will also break the molecules but hydrolysis what they will do they will take the help of water molecule help తీసుకొని hydrolysis enzymes large molecules ని break చేసి small చేస్తాయి lysis is also simple lysis का काम भी वही है the lysis function is also similar but lysis what they will do means they don't take the help of water molecule they don't take the help of water molecule hydrolysis break the large molecules break the bonds whatever the type of bonds are there it might be an ester bond it might be a peptide bond it might be a covalent bond it might be a hydrogen bond whatever the type of bond it might be hydrolysis break all those bonds and it will take the help of what it will take the help of water molecule का help लेके break करेंगे but fourth one is also doing the same thing but it doesn't take the help of water molecule same to same are mostly similar but only one difference is that the third category does take the help of water molecule but the fourth category whatever the fourth category is there it doesn't take the help of water molecule third category takes the help of water molecule and the fourth category doesn't take the help of water molecule ma. So that is your fourth one ma. And coming to your fifth one what do the fifth one do ma? Just try to tell me quickly ma. Fifth one what do the fifth one will be doing fifth one ఏం చేస్తూ ఉండొచ్చు what can be the fifth one might be doing ma? Very simple deadly easy they perform isomerization reactions ma. They perform isomerization reactions they perform isomerization you might know for example let me tell you glucose is there and its isomer is fructose uska isomer is fructose again you may ask me so what are isomers I can clearly tell you that what are isomers means uh, chemically same chemically same but chemically same but structurally different structurally different order isomers means chemically same but structurally different C6H12O6 C6H12O6 is the molecular formula of glucose it is also molecular formula of the fructose also it is also molecular formula of fructose also fructose का भी molecular formula क्या है C6H12O6 glucose का भी क्या है C6H12O6 so what is the difference between these glucose and fructose is that is the structure structurally they are different so glucose and fructose as they are chemically same but structurally different they together they will be called as what? They are called as the isomers. They are called as the isomers. They are called as the isomers. And even in the Kelvin cycle, you have got one isomers. कल मुझे homework है तुम्हारा, कल मुझे सुबह तक बोल दो Kelvin cycle में कौन से isomers, दो 2 to 3 substances became. So what are those isomers? You have to tell me by tomorrow. Isomers उसमें भी आया. So what is this thing here? Let me wait a second. Okay, mom. So this one, which one means isomerases? What do the isomerases do means? They are very good at performing the isomerization reaction. They are very good at performing the isomerization reactions. And coming to a last one, what is the last one? Last one is called as ligases. Last one is called as ligases. So what can be the ligases? Try to quickly tell me. अब तक तो पूरे break करते isomerase करते चले गए. What can be this group of enzymes might be doing? What can be this group of enzymes might be doing now? What can be this group of enzymes might be doing? ఈ group of enzymes ఏం చేస్తూ ఉండొచ్చు చెప్పండి. What can be this group of enzymes might be doing? Ligases అంటే ligation రాకేష్ ఇప్పటిదాకా అన్ని బ్రేక్ చేసుకుంటూ పోయినాం. సో ట్రై టు నవనీత వెరీ గుడ్ మా, నవనీత సేడ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ మా. బ్రేక్ చేసుకుంటూ పోయినాం. ముస్కాన్ వెరీ గుడ్ మా, అగైన్ ముస్కాన్ ఆల్సో వెరీ గుడ్. ఇప్పటిదాకా బ్రేక్ అని చేసుకుంటూ పోయినప్పుడు అన్ని బ్రేక్ అయినప్పుడు someone should be there nama, someone should be there who might join the two molecules. So what the ligases will do means they join the two small molecules. They join the two small molecules to make them a big molecule, to make them a bigger molecule, to make them a bigger molecule, to make them a big molecules. Whatever these respective ligases enzymes are there, वो लोग क्या करेंगे बोले तो दो छोटे small molecules को लेंगे and they will try to make them a big molecule. They will try to make them a big molecule. Very simple. So this is your classification. This is your classification. IUB, International Union of Biochemistry, they divided every enzyme on the earth. Not only earth, if you find out any enzymes on the moon or any enzymes on the Mars, etc., all the enzymes should be kept under the 6 categories, 6 groups only. 7th group ledo, 8th group ledo, kota asse achundachu, because these textbooks are prepared in the 2000 time. So new groups might be had been added, but as of now from your textbook we are only having 6 groups only. First group is called as oxidoreductases, and this constant I'm giving you warning here. I'm giving you warning like ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ లో ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్ దగ్గర మీరు లైగేసెస్ తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టి 6 గ్రూప్ దగ్గర ఆక్సిడోరెడక్టేసెస్ లేక ఆతో దట్స్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు వర్క్ మా. I mean, first oxidoreductases group means first oxidoreductase. There is a particular reason is there. I will try to tell you later. That particular reason is also there. I will try to tell you later. Second group should be always transferases only. You should never change the second group. Third group should be, third category should be always hydrolases only. Fourth category should be always liases only. Fifth category should be always isomerases only. Sixth category should be always ligases. So first category oxidoreductases, what they are doing, they are performing oxidation and reduction reactions. Those enzymes are involved in oxidation and reduction reactions. What the second one is doing, they are involved in transfer of functional groups, so from one molecule to another molecule. Third one, what the third one is doing, they are breaking the big molecules into smaller molecules, but they are taking the help of water molecules. Fourth one, very similar to third one, but they are not taking the help of water molecule. Fifth one, they are performing isomerization reactions. For that you need to understand what is meant by isomers. Chemistry topic again, you need to understand isomers, and tomorrow's homework is that you have to come some of isomers examples. Glucose fructose అయితే నేను చెప్పేసిన, you have to come up with some isomers example from the Kelvin cycle and from also your chemistry subject also. Try to Google or etc. थोड़े isomers का example ढूंढो, कल मुझे example class के time पे मुझे message कर दो. And what is the last one? Sixth one is the ligases. All the above are breaking down or doing some sort of functions, but the sixth one is totally different. They try to club two molecules together, not only two, it can be three, it can be four, it can be five, or whatever it might be. Ligases enzymes, they always, the enzymes which are present in the sixth category, they'll always tries to join the molecules together. Molecules को join करने के लिए help करेंगे. So this is your classification. So what I did means here in this case, classification के time में what I did means I didn't give in the examples. I didn't mention any examples. Examples తీసుకొని నేను explain చేయాలి. So what I did means, first of all, I given the headings and I tried to explain what the each and individual one is doing. I tried to given the headings and I tried to explain what do they doing actually. So your homework is that already మీరు అలసిపోయి ఉంటారు. I can understand already మీరు అలసిపోయి ఉంటారు. So I'm not going to give the homework today. I'm not going to give the homework today అంటే right now కాదు. Tomorrow afternoon దాకా. So tomorrow afternoon దాకా what you will do means you have to write down each and every example of all these categories. All the groups ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో కొంచెం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. Try to observe the groups के हर एक ग्रुप के, और फर्स्ट ग्रुप का एग्जाम्पल क्या है, सेकंड ग्रुप का एग्जाम्पल क्या है, थर्ड ग्रुप का एग्जाम्पल क्या है, फोर्थ ग्रुप का एग्जाम्पल क्या है, सिक्स ग्रुप का एग्जाम्पल क्या है, फिफ्थ ग्रुप का एग्जाम्पल क्या है. Try to observe them, try to write down once all the these reactions, try to write down once and try to understand the reactions more. Whether we are doing, whether I'm saying the correct or not. For example, isomerases undi. Isomerase la glucose ఏదైతే ఉందో it will get converted into the fructose. This is the example ma. In your textbook also the example is the same. So this type of examples you have to write down for the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Only one example only. Don't go for like 2 to 3 examples matram bokuni. This is tomorrow's homework ma. This is tomorrow's homework.